2024 Suzuki Ertiga GL 1.5 VVT engine automatic. Hybrid na po to guys. Sure ball to, tipid sa gasolina. Good as new condition. Okay, check natin yung gulong. Sobrang kapal. Sobrang kapal. Yan, hybrid na po guys. Unused yung spare tire. Okay. Okay. Check natin loob guys. Ito yung loob. Sariwang sariwa. Almost 4,000 yung takbo. Touchscreen na po yung monitor. Merong automatic off yung engine. Sa traffic, pag traffic po, mag-off yung engine. Pag release po ng brake, aandar ulit yung engine. Check natin yung likod guys. All powered na po. Power window. Ayan. Yan ang likod. Maluwag. Kasya 7 to 8 person. Check natin likod. Okay guys, ito yung likod. Kung may karga ka, ganito lang ka-easy. Baba mo. Okay. Marami nang makarga dito. Complete tools po. Ayan. Okay. Check natin engine guys. Okay guys, ito yung engine. Parang bago lang. Okay. Registration nito 2027 pa ng January. Good as new. Thank you guys.